Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You must have admin access and website code access before you begin. Once confirmed, open business settings and navigate to data sources, then pixels. Click Add to create a new pixel and name it clearly for reporting. Enter your website URL when prompted to enable suggested setup options. You're starting now, not later, so make the naming, owner, and primary ad account choices immediately to avoid permissions friction down the line. Once the pixel exists, choose how to install it: manual, partner integration, or Google Tag Manager. If manual, copy the base code and paste it into the site head so it loads on every page. Make sure to add standard event snippets on conversion pages. Use the Events Manager test tool to verify firing in real time and map events to custom conversions or standard events for clearer reporting and optimization. Once installation is done, validate everything. Use Events Manager and the Browser Pixel helper to confirm events fire and data appears. If you don't see events, make sure the pixel is assigned to the correct ad account and the domain is verified. Also clear site caches, disable ad blockers, and test in an incognito browser. If problems persist, reinstall the base code and rerun the Event Setup tool to reconfigure missing events.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.